Today, gagawa tayo ng recognition tarpaulin. File, New. Click New. Gagawa tayo ng 2x3 tarpaulin. That is inches. Iset mo yan as inches. Next is, ang height will be 24. Ang width natin will be 36. So that is the measurement. And then pixel and inches, and then afterwards you need to click OK. So that is for our format in making a recognition tarpaulin. Pixels and inches, okay. Okay, so we have our format. And the next one is mag-open tayo ng document or picture, and then i-drag natin para gawin natin siyang design sa ating recognition tarpaulin, o yung nagbibigay tayo ng congratulations sa isang tao kung meron siyang napanalunan. Alright, next is we will be using the magic eraser tool para ma-erase or matanggal yung white background. Then we can use as well eraser tool para mawala yung mga hindi kailangan dyan sa word na congratulations. Okay, so deselect and then drag mo lang after. Any work na gagawin niyo using tarpaulin, you need to click Move tool and click Apply. Again, click Move tool and then Apply. Next, we'll be using the navigator. The navigator will allow us to zoom our work. We need to erase some parts of the picture, yung sa congratulations. Click Magic Eraser tool, tapos caps lock. Ganyan yung kanyang magiging forma yung tool. Parang cross lang siya. Okay, and then you just need to click like that, and then ma-erase na yung part ng picture na hindi kailangan. Kunin natin yung tao na pagbibigyan natin, yan yung kanyang picture. For this photo, I tried to erase the background pero masisira yung some part of the picture. Kaya ang ginawa ko, hindi ko na lang kinuha yung kanyang background, drag ko na lang, and then maganda din naman yung kanyang appearance kahit yan yung the original na background ng ating gagamitin. Tapos i-improve na lang natin by i-crop natin para ma-improve, and then we just need, when cropping, make it sure na hindi masyadong elongated or compressed yung picture. No. Okay, and then adjust the layer. Alright, so that is it. Next is you need to move the picture, then write the name using the text tool, yung letter T dyan, i-click mo lang yan yung letter T, and then makasulat ka na ng pangalan. So yan yung pangalan niya, si Kailin M. Alcazaro. Okay, so yan yung ating pagbibigyan ng tarpaulin. Click Move tool, then Apply, so that as well you can move the object or words na nandyan sa tarpaulin. Okay, so as you can see, you can as well move, as I have said, and definitely you can crop the words. Okay. Okay, so ang kanyang achievement ay nakapasa siya sa isang scholarship ng Davao de Oro. Okay, so bigyan natin siya ng magandang recognition by making tarpaulin. So as you can see, dapat klaro din yung kanyang napanalunan or yung kanyang naipasa na scholarship. So, hindi pwede na masyadong malaki at hindi naman pwede na masyadong maliit. Dapat, klaro sa tarpaulin ninyo yung mga words na inyong kailangan na i-type for recognition as well, and for para makita talaga na yun ang kanyang na-avail na scholarship or yun ang kanyang napanalunan. The reason bakit kailangan natin na gawa ng tarpaulin. Okay, so as you can see, click move tool and then click apply, and then afterwards you can move the words. You just need to crop the words in order for it to become more attractive and appealing. You can even change the color and the text, font size and font style. Change the color if you want, but for me I like the black. Tapos, you just need to change the font style. Kasi nandyan din, you can select any font style na gusto mong gamitin. Ayan, mag-select ka lang dyan ng font style na gusto mo. So, marami kasi yung choices dyan. So, it's up to you to choose kung ano yung kailangan mo or magustuhan mo na font na yung gagamitin, yung font style. And then, as I have said, kailangan mo siyang i-click yung move tool para ma-move mo ng maayos yung picture, image, or yung words mismo na inyong isusulat sa tarpaulin. Okay, so tingnan ninyo, ma-move natin yung words at saka yung picture. So that is the importance of the move tool. Okay, so the next one is, kung tingin natin na okay na, maganda na, then pwede na natin siyang i-save. But kung hindi ka pa kontento, you are not satisfied with your work, and then you can always improve, develop, and you can always change like that. You can always change the font. Kasi, nagbibigay din ng magandang caption or nagbibigay ng magandang attention kung maganda yung text na ating gagamitin. And this is the final words and text na ating ilalagay sa ating tarpaulin, and I hope masaya siya sa ating ginawa na tarpaulin. Save as, click JPEG for the format, and pwedeng PSD para pwede nating i-edit anytime. Lagyan ng file name para hindi mawala. And click save. After you click save, you need to click OK. And that is our tarpaulin, our recognition tarpaulin. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something from this video. Click subscribe button. Thank you so much, everyone.